The third technique involves using your resources to build the second half of the track that flows with the original 8-bar loop. Use audio loops, MIDI files, different VST instruments, effects, your sampler, and whatever else it takes to come up with a completely different idea. Make it work with the track. Think of it as a verse and hook arrangement, two separate ideas building into each other. So before we go into example number 3, which is called library resources, I'd like you to hear the demo track that we're going to be working with for all of these demonstrations. Great. So for the library resources example, what we got to do is we got to somehow change our original demo track and then use our library resources to create new content. And by doing this, we're going to have to find some MIDI loops or some audio loops, new ones that we haven't used, and drag them in and create a new hook, a new idea. So you want to create more of like a verse and a chorus or a verse and hook type of arrangement here. So let's take a look at what I've done here. I'm going to expand this. And this is the new idea that basically started this new section. Now, I found this loop, and what I decided to do with it was basically make a bass line out of it. So I created a sub bass using the exact same melody of this. And then I started adding some new pads, copied the exact same line, raised it an octave up, and then created a pluck sound on top of it, and then added some effects. So let's hear what this whole thing sounds like with the lead-in.